Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Katie and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So today we're going to be spring cleaning the patio and setting up my new bar stools for my outdoor kitchen. So the first thing that I do when I tackle cleaning my outdoor spaces is definitely clean my outdoor furniture. So the first step I use is Clorox with a mixture of Dawn soap, as you can see me do here in the video. That is the key to get my cushions brand new again. I do have some umbrella fabric, so it's good for you to invest in good outdoor furniture so it could be easy to clean and maintain. So then after that, I wash them all good, you know, the frame of the chairs, the cushions, and then I rinse them real well. So I repeat the same process for all the furniture. I have a bunch of outdoor furniture, so it takes me a while to do this part, but the hubby is always here to help me. And also my little boy Jay likes to help when we're cleaning out the outdoor. So here I'm cleaning the frames of my sofas. Then a hubby finally put the power wash, and when you use the power wash machine, it makes things a lot easier. When I'm done cleaning all the furniture, then I moved into cleaning all my windows, my walls. And remember that little Swiffer little pad thing that I showed you in my previous video? Here it is. I'm telling you, the best thing you would invest in, and it's super affordable to clean those windows, those walls. This is the best thing ever. I love it. So my neighbor lent us his power wash machine, and this one was so powerful, we fell in love with it. And then I kept cleaning all those windows. So even though you don't see it on the video, the backyard was full of dust. It was super dirty due to the construction of the outdoor kitchen. So the hubby went ahead and, you know, clean and power washed the entire thing. As you can see here, we moved furniture around as well from different areas. And the next step would definitely be to, you know, bring some spring decor, spring and summer decor to this area. And I also want to bring some plants and flowers to this area, so stay tuned for that. But for now, we're just doing a really nice clean. We extended the floor in this area. I don't know if you guys remember one of my vlogs, I talked about it. So all of that got clean, and also my pool furniture, I usually clean it for spring so we could have them clean and ready for the summer season as well. So I started to clean the entire outdoor kitchen, the appliances, everything. We hadn't used the outdoor kitchen at this point yet, but everything was just full of dust, like I said. And since Jonathan's power washed this area, everything was wet inside. So I'm drying everything, making sure everything is nice and clean. I applied the styling steel cleaner to the appliances. The countertop guide recommended this polish, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this polish to the entire counter here in the outdoor kitchen, so it protects and gives it shine at the same time. So I love how it brings the stone color back to life, as you can see here. I haven't decided on a layout for the outdoor decor or furniture for this season, yeah, but I'm gonna bring the sofas back into this area where I had them before. Everything is nice and clean now. This is how the patio looks after we were done cleaning it. Everything was nice and clean. I put the sofas, like I said, in this area again. I covered the kitchen because we were not going to be using it. I put the dining table in this area. I am in the market for a new dining table this year, so hopefully I get one before the summer. And here I put those chairs over there. The day bed, I moved it over there. So this is pretty much how everything is looking before we get this patio decorated for spring. So you guys, I am so excited to unbox these bar stools. These are from Purple Leaf and you can find them on Amazon. Let me tell you, I am picturing myself this spring and summer sipping a margarita, sitting here on my outdoor kitchen. Oh my God, all the vibes. I love that these bar stools came nicely packed and also they were extremely easy to assemble. If you're in the market for new bar stools, don't forget to check the description box. I'm going to be linking this one and also my discount code. These bar stools are perfect for indoor and outdoor use. The design is very sleek and modern without compromising comfort. They come in multiple color choices. I chose the black stone option, counter height. Besides the modern look of these bar stools, I personally love the lumbar support, how comfortable they are. The cushion is extremely soft and waterproof. Guys, that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to see the patio decorated for spring. See you all on the next one. God bless.